Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to delete a Google My Business profile. As you can see, I am onto Google and I have searched my business name, or you can search for my business, and make sure that you have logged in using the same Gmail account that you have used for creating that particular Google My Business profile. And as you can see, here is our Google My Business profile displaying. We just need to click on this triple dot and then business profile settings, and here you will get an option of remove business profile. Just click on it, and here there are again two options: stop managing this profile, transfer primary ownership to another manager before leaving the profile. Right, if you have sold out your business, then you can transfer your ownership of Google My Business listing to another member, right, using this option. And whereas the another option is of remove profile content and manager, permanently remove all content added by you and all managers. We need to select this, and when we will click on continue, then our profile would get deleted. So this is how you can delete a Google My Business profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.